How to unlock Facebook account without learn more and get started option. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to unlock your Facebook account. So let's get into it. If you have locked your account on Facebook, if you have locked your profile, it's actually very easy to unlock it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to facebook.com. You can log into your Facebook on your mobile phone, or you can use your laptop or PC. After that, you're going to go to your account option here. You can see this is my profile. And now we will open it up. So once you get to your profile, you will see something like this. We have our profile picture, we have our cover, and then we have these three dots. You can see we have posts, about, friends, and we have these three dots. Click on these three dots and you'll get view as, search, archive, and more options. And at the bottom here, we have unlock profile. And this is actually the same option to lock your profile as well. I have locked my profile, my account. I want to unlock it. So all you need to do is just click on this option here. And now it will ask you to unlock. There you go. We have learn more in the center. So you're not going to click on learn more. A lot of people click on this because they're like, okay, what to do now? But you need to actually select unlock. So these are not just the icons. This is actually a clickable option. You're going to click on unlock my profile. And there you go. Your profile will be unlocked. There you go. Click on OK. And now you can see it will just refresh and my profile or account is unlocked. If I want to lock it, I'll click on these three dots and click on lock. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.